Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about a browser navigator commands. See, browser navigator command means today you open one current URL and you need to overlap that same browser. You need to open the same browser in different URL. Then you can able to use overlapping that. But imagine you opened for a new URL into the world to a new URL, right? But you work on a new URL within your project. But in the scenario, you need to go back into the old URL. Again, you need to work on a old URL, right? That moment, again, you are opening the browser. The same means it is like not good practice to do that. Then what we can able to do means we can able to using by back keyword. It's a back keyword. This back keyword, what will happen? It will go back in a one history in a browser history. What are the operations we are doing, that everything it is stored in the history of the browser. Then if you whenever you hit for the driver dot back, then what will happen, it will hit one particular URL, means one step it will go for back, not for in the one step. If you use different URLs also, it will call that particular URL. Okay, then after that we can able to use forward. Forward keyword is basically to forwarding like a back front side. Uh, we back into a old URL into a new URL. We need to use for forward keyword. Okay, how we can able to use these commands? First, all the ways we need to use for from. In the from condition, we are going to use for Selenium, and I need to import for WebDriver. Okay, once I done that WebDriver is doing, then I need to save my browser related things. Driver, and I can able to be used for WebDriver dot Chrome. Chrome we can able to do by using passing for executable path, that is exe supported for the browser. It is a Chrome or IE for Firefox, Opera, like any browser kind of thing. Okay, without passing that executable path, how we can able to use to opening the particular browser means we can copy that which is the browser supported exe into a Python scripting folder location. Inside the script folder location, you need to save this all the values. Okay, then now I'm going to use for driver dot get. Inside the get, I need to go for www.google.com. Okay, here once I open, I need to print for the title. In the previous also I show that how to do that uh, driver dot title, but I need to print for this driver. Then what I can do, print, and I can able to print my title. Once I print, I need to use for time to wait. Okay, then again I need to open for new URL. Get will take this URL only. Okay, now I done for all the things. Show the reformat. Okay, now we done for creation of the URL and get the title and here. Then we can able to use to a backward direction. Now I can able to use a driver dot backward direction. Backward is nothing but to go back into a history into one particular of file. we done for a backward direction, and again we need to come back for forward direction. Write dot a driver driver WebDriver dot a title. Sorry, driver dot a title. Okay, again I need to use for 3 here. And I need to go for backward direction. Driver dot forward. Okay, again I need to use a sleep method here. I need to use a driver dot close. Okay, now I used for forward and backward. I get access and title. Okay, now I'm going to use for command, which is I can able to use it. Navigators. We can able to see there is a google.com, it is open but it is not given the properly. What exactly URL it is not able to find. Wait, the URL it is not able to find. Oh, sorry. A dot. Again, I'm running because in the URL I just passed a wrong command. I passed. Okay. Now google.com is opened and need to back like this URL again. It is need to go back now. You can able to see there is a Google and frames and windows. Google and frames and windows. Okay, why it is done very fast? Like sleep thread is it is minimized, then it is faster very fast, and then it is saved and it will hit it for that, and it will gives you a pass result. Okay, this all about for browser navigation, like a WebDriver navigational commands. I hope you understand this one. If you like this video, please like me, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.